Let's look at how to manage flexible multi-day bookings using the rental calendar inside of HighLevel. This feature is designed for businesses that rent out assets like properties, equipment, vehicles, or event setups and need more control than the standard appointment booking. For example, instead of booking a 30-minute meeting, a customer can reserve a property for several days or rent equipment for a full weekend, and it will automatically handle the booking, the pricing, and the availability. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set it up and use rental calendars inside of HighLevel. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub-account, you're going to come over to Calendars on the left-hand side, and then make your way up to Calendar Settings. Then at the top here, you'll see Meetings, Services, Rentals, and Connections. Just a quick note, if you don't see rentals as an option, then you first need to turn it on. You can do that by coming to the agency view inside your account. Just click on this button here, and then click on Switch to Agency View. From there, you're going to come over to Sub-Accounts, and then come to the sub-account that you want to turn it on in, and then click these three dots on the right-hand side. From there, click on Manage Client, and then you'll see in the top right corner, we have Calendar Settings. When you click on that, you'll see a toggle button over here. Just make sure that's turned on. Then when you click on Save, you can continue the process. Come over and click on Rentals. Then you'll see this page. On the left-hand side, we'll see Listings. So listings will be the actual assets that you are renting out. Things like cars, equipment, property, or jet skis. Then just below listings, you'll see Categories. This is pretty much the folder that you'll hold all the different listings inside of. This helps the calendar look organized and prevent it from looking cluttered. So to create a listing, you can click on the Add New button over here, or click on New Listing in the top right corner. At the top here, you can add an image. Just below that, you can give the listing a name. I'll say Green Jet Ski, and then come down to the base price. You can set the price that you want to charge per day, but if you want other options, you can also charge by the hour, by the week, or even by the month. So let's say my jet ski gets rented out for $100 an hour. I just select hour and type in $100. And then if I had a category called jet skis that has all the different color options inside of it, then I'll just add my green jet ski to the category called jet skis. Then in the bottom left corner, we can set a custom URL and select the status to be active or inactive. Once it's all set up, click on Save. Once you do that, it will open up this page where you can customize it even further. As you'll see on the left-hand side here, we can adjust the inventory and pricing, the booking settings, and the calendar sync. If I click on inventory and pricing, we have the option to track stock for this listing, offer different variants of this listing, and then if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can also set up advanced pricing structures, things like seasonal pricing, day of week pricing, hour of day pricing, and duration discounts. So if you want to offer any seasonal pricing, click on this button here, and then you have the option of selecting a percentage or a flat fee. And then it's as simple as selecting the start and end dates, and then entering the adjustment percentage on the right-hand side. In the top left, if I come over to booking settings, this is where we can configure the availability, the booking behavior, and the scheduling rules of the business. Things like the duration, the buffer time, and the scheduling notice. And then make your way over to Calendar Sync. This is the place where you can import bookings from external calendars to block off unavailable dates. Once you're happy with all your settings, click on Save Changes in the top right corner. Now you'll see your green jet ski listing has been created. It is active and it's $100 an hour. On the right-hand side, we can edit the listing, share the listing, or click on these three dots to delete or duplicate the listing. If you want to view the booking page, click on this button here, and it will take you to the booking portal that your customer will see. If they wanted to select the green jet ski, they can click on View Details, select their rental period, and click on Add to Cart. From there, they have the option to add more listings or come over here to continue to checkout. Once they click on that, they can add their personal information and make payments. If we jump back to the rentals area inside the sub-account and come over to Global Settings, this is the place where we can adjust the booking settings, the booking page, the payment settings, and the notifications. So we can adjust things like the business operating hours. Inside the booking page, we can make more customizations. Then down to payment settings, we can select things like the currency, and then finally notifications to adjust how your notifications look before they're sent out. And that's how you can use rental calendars inside of HighLevel to manage flexible multi-day bookings. It's a powerful way to handle inventory, automate availability, and create seamless booking experiences, all without relying on external tools. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For more information about this or other features, be sure to check out the Content Army YouTube playlist, the help docs, or the Did You Know blog. The link's on the description below.